Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. In this kind of menu, you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. And after that you will enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test and power off. If you want to exit this mode, just select, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and restart your device, or you can select the last one, power off, and just turn it off. Let's select the first one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.